Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if your search bar is crashing or closing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Here are several steps you can take troubleshoot and resolve the issue. The first step is to restart your Windows Explorer. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to scroll down to the bottom. Right click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. After getting done, just close stuff here. The second step is to rebuild the search index. To do this, go to search menu and type indexing options. Click on open it. Select the advanced and under the troubleshooting, you just need to select the rebuild and select OK. Wait for this to complete, guys. After getting indexing complete, just close stuff here. The third step is to reset search Viva PowerShell. To do this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Comes up Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to copy and paste this command, guys. Just right click on it and copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. After pasting this command, just close stuff here. The fourth step is to reset Cortana. This step only for the Windows 10 user. You just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command. Just copy it. This is only for Windows 10 users. Just copy the command and paste over here, guys. In my case, I am in Windows 11. That's why this command doesn't work. After doing the command, just close off here and check if the problem solved or not. The fifth step is to run a system file checker and DISM. To do this, go to search menu and type Cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. This verification need to get 100%, guys. After getting 100% complete, you just need to copy the second command and paste it. After finishing the second command 100%, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. The sixth step is to check for Windows Update. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Comes up Windows Update settings. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting update done, you just need to close stuff here. The seventh step is to disable third-party antivirus and anti-malware. Temporarily disable any third-party antiviruses or anti-malware software and check if the issue persists. If the search bar works, then you just need to consider updating or changing your security software. The eighth step is to perform a clean boot. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select the services tab and select checkmark hide all Microsoft services. Now select disable all, and in here you need to checkmark the NVIDIA services. You need to checkmark the services you want in startup. In my case, I checkmarked NVIDIA service. I recommend to checkmark NVIDIA services, guys. After checkmarking it, select startup tab and select open task manager. In here you need to disable everything listed over here, guys. Just right click on it and disable it. After disabling it, just close stuff here and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC, guys. These steps should help you to fix the search bar crashing or closing issue in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.